Hello, Shelley Fishel, the MS Office Maestro here with another top tip for Microsoft Word. Now, this is a new thing that I've noticed recently and is really handy. Here I am on my website and I've got some text that I want to take into a Word document. Maybe I want to edit it or something. So I'm just going to select the text that I want and I'm going to copy it. So right click and copy. And they're going to bring up a nice blank Word document. Now I'm just going to paste that in. My preferred method is Control and V for pasting, and you'll see that it's lost the formatting from the web page and it's brought it in as my current format. And this little Smart Tag button, or UI interface as they've started to call it, has just popped up, and you'll see that merge formatting is the default. So when you copy text from other programs, often from a website, you'll bring in the formatting with it, and then you've got to spend ages trying to rectify all of that. So how do I know this? If we go to File and Options, and then we're going to go into Advanced, and where we have the copy and paste options, you'll see that when pasting from other programs, merge formatting is the default. Now you'll see that pasting within the same document keeps the source formatting, which yes, that's correct. Pasting between documents will keep the source formatting. Now that means that if you've got a document that's got text in green and you paste it into a document whose text is blue, that text will stay green. If you want that text to change to the current document, then you'll want to choose merge formatting or keep text only. Either way, you'll then pick up the current document theme. So that's the new thing. We've got when pasting from other programs, merge formatting is now the default. So that's my top tip today in Word. Remember, do subscribe to the video, give this tip a like, and leave me a comment and tell me what you've noticed about merging formatting in Microsoft Word. And that's it from me today, Shelley Fishel, the MS Office Maestro.